here's your GoPro. You can make a video out of it.
I only go to Toy Kingdom.
It's
Yes.
the same. Toys R Us is actually from the America. That's the place where Evan buys his toys. That's
Oh.
it.
Yay.
Requesting CD019, CD019 Pagbawan.
Turn right. Oh, there you go. You can see it. Your GoPro.
Oh, sorry guys.
There,
Oh, nerve!
there you go.
But this is expensive. This is it. This is it.
This is the one siyan, right?
That's too small.
You can choose another one if you like.
I like better than that is this.
Oh, not that one. Just a small one. You cannot bring it. It's already not.
Or medium. Or medium.
Not the medium. Just small. Just already have a small.
Okay. I mean this. This one.
$6.99.
Okay. This one you want? Pero gusto niyo. Sa loob. Zero ba kayo?
Oh, that looks better. You don't like the green one? Just the orange one?
You like this one?
It's the same naman.
Oh,
This one, the zombie strike. Oh, see ano. Oh, this one, another two. Ito na lang.
Hindi, maski medyo. Meron pa iba, oh. Oh, ito yung ginawak niya.
This one much better.
This one was better. Oh,
Yes.
choose the better one. Oh, the better one.
The same color. Yan yun.
Are you sure? Oh. Where's the
Those-
GoPro video? Look at it. So
Oh.
you can choose. Oh.
Okay, I like this one.
Why do you like that one?
Because it's much better. And I like orange.
Maybe you can sample it. Pwede ba ito masample?
Oh.
Like testing it first. Yan. Look. Look at your GoPro video. Oh, it has light. This one has a light beam. Oh.
Oh.
That's really cool.
Yes.
But this one can shoot 2 bullets at once.
You check the picture.
Check the pictures. What do you want? Oh, it's like this yan, oh.
O baka ito gusto niyo rin to, zero.
That is
Oh,
expensive.
7 Oh, you like this one? Ah, thank you.
Oh yes.
5 dots.
Oh yes. Oh, that is so cool. I like that. Yes.
Wow!
Thank you.
Okay, put this back in there. No, get the one inside. Oh, it's only 2 left.
Ito, paano ba to?
Yan, that one.
Nasa automatic na siyang ano ito.
Yes, I know that.
Wow,
I know that.
You know that. Did you see it on FTV before?
No, only the
This is really cool, no? Wala ba kayong sale price lang?
Wala, sir.